Are you fed up with your financial situation? Kinikita mo na ba ang income na ninanais mo? Nasubukan mo na bang gawin ang lahat but still feel that nothing seems to go your way? Are you sick and tired of just living with just enough? These were the questions that I was asking myself when I was still struggling to earn, trying my best to make both ends meet. Dear friends, hi, my name is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive, your wealth and life coach. I'm the author of 8 books, Till Death Do Us Part, For Richer and For Poorer, and many more. This may come as a shock to some of you na ako mismo ay nahihirapan din kumita ng pera nung ako ay nag-uumpisa. And this is what I've discovered over my 35 years of selling and being in business. Hard work and patience are not only the prerequisite to achieve success. For you to better understand, matanong nga kita, masipag ba ang mga karpintero at kargador? Yes. Matyaga ba sila? Yes. Ang tanong, maginhawa ba ang buhay nila? Your answer is as good as mine. Dahil hindi lang sipag at tiyaga ang magdadala sa atin sa ginhawa, kung hindi dapat meron din tayong kaalaman. Acquiring the right knowledge is an integral part of success. Nangarap din akong minsan na maging matagumpay at yumaman. I was working so hard and started my career in sales at a young age of 12. May nagbigay sa akin ng advice na just work hard and be patient and wait for your time will come. I don't intend to exaggerate, pero sa totoo lang, ang gabi ginagawa kong araw at ang araw ginagawa kong gabi. Kung magiging successful lang ako working 25 hours a day, I will do it. I work hard, really, really hard, pero kahit anong kayod ko, money seemed to be very evasive. I was running after money, but it seems like that money is running away from me. In reality, dumating na ako sa point ng frustration. I began to doubt and ask myself, meron bang mali akong ginagawa? When will I ever get out of this rut? Matutupad pa kaya ang pangarap ko para sa aking sarili at aking pamilya? Yayaman pa ba ako, or is wealth only for a chosen few? Do I have what it takes for me to really make it big? I was in a desperate situation. Pagod na ako at nawawala na rin ako ng pag-asa. I was about to give up. Then my life was totally transformed after reading a book that talked about the power to create wealth. It usually takes time for me to finish a book, but this was one of those books na hindi ko maibaba hanggang sa natapos ko siyang basahin. I then discovered why I wasn't earning the income I deserved. Ang problema pala ay hindi yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko, kundi the way I think. Ang main source pala ng problem ay mali ang aking money mindset. What is money mindset? Aminin man natin o hindi, the way we earn, save, handle, spend our money is only a reflection kung paano tayo pinalaki mula sa ating pagkabata. Kung ano ang ating narinig, nakita, na-experience when we were young, forms our money mindset. Just imagine if you were born in a family of Henry C., the owner of SM. Ano kayang pinag-uusapan nila araw-araw? Probably how to create more money, how to expand their businesses. For that family to earn money, is it easy or hard? Definitely, it's much more easier. For that family to earn millions, normal or abnormal? Definitely, it's an everyday thing. Normal siya. What if you were born in a poor family? Ano naman kayang pinag-uusapan pag ikaw ay pinanganak sa isang pamilyang mahirap? Ang goal naman is to what? Survive. For that family to earn money, is it easy or hard? Definitely, it's harder. For them to earn millions, normal or abnormal? Definitely abnormal. Shinky, are you saying kung ako ay pinanganak na mahirap, mamamatay ako mahirap? I beg to disagree. I've witnessed a lot of people who used to be poor before, but right now they're very rich. But admit it or not, ang laki ng epektong nanangkaraan sa pangkasalukuyan. So my question is your money mindset programmed to think poorly or richly? To think in abundance or scarcity? To think in fear or in faith? It does not matter how hard you work today. If hindi magbabago ang money mindset, wala ding mangyayari. Believe me, been there, done that. Because everything that happens on the outside is only a manifestation of what's happening in the inside. Everything that happens to the exterior must first happen in the interior. Kung ayaw mo ng output mo, you don't change your output, but you better change your what? Input. If you want to succeed, seriously succeed, you need to reprogram your money mindset. You need to understand kung paano mag-isip ang mga rich and how they run their daily affairs. You need to unlearn and relearn new habits para makakuha ng different result. You need to change how you create, handle, and spend your money. Matapos kong ma-realize ang mga bagay na ito, nagsimula akong i-apply ang proven and tested methods of creating and growing wealth. My financial life dramatically changed. It helped me produce immediate results na gusto kong ma-achieve. Only after a few weeks of applying these principles, I was able to create a breakthrough income. From an average income of 15,000 per month, it became 25,000. From 25, it became 50,000. From 50, it became 100,000. And then it never stopped. Napakasaya ko. Shock and surprise na ganun lang pala kasimple yun. Years of struggling and hard work now finally paid off. Para siyang kandado na nabuksan ng isang mahiwagang susi. This is what I personally noticed. As my belief system started to increase into a new level of confidence, nagsimula ding tumaas ang income ko. On my first year, I was able to transform my annual income to 6 months of work. On the second year, I was able to transform my annual income to 3 months worth of work. How about my present income? Ito lang ang masasabi ko. The more I practice the principles, the easier it got. Pero kung hindi ka pa rin convinced, read further. Allow me to convince you in just a few seconds that you have the potential to become rich. Samahan mo lang ako at sagutin ang simpleng mathematical questions na ito. What is 2 times 2? 4. 4 times 2? 8. 8 times 2? 16. You might be saying, Chinky, that is too simple. Kahit grade 1 student, kayang-kayang sagutin ito. That is my point. It does not matter if you are young or old, poor or rich, finish your schooling or not, as long as alam mo ang sistema ng multiplication, you can get the same answer and result. Ngayon, isipin mo itong mabuti. Kung alam mo ang sistema ng mga mayayaman at susundin ang sistemang yon, will you get the same answer or result? The answer will be definitely a big yes. Noong natutunan ko at na-apply ko ngayon ang mga winning principles, it completely transformed my financial life. Yung dating hirap na kumita ngayon, guminhawa na ang buhay. Yung dating hindi maka-order ng maayos sa restaurant ay nakakain na ng maayos. Yung dating nabubuhay sa financial stress, ngayon may financial peace na. Yung dati kong kinikita sa loob ng isang buwan, ay kaya palang kitain sa isang araw. Pwede pala yun at hindi imposible. At kung gusto mong matutunan kung ano ang